Ano yung initial reaction mo nang malaman mo na kasama ka sa magko-compete sa SEA Games this
Oo.
December?
Actually sir, this recent weeks ko lang din nalaman before
Mhm,
mag-UAP, kaya nung mga nakaraan pumunta na din ako sa Nuclear kasi andun yung mga, national athletes ng track and field or
mhm.
Philippine Athletics are known as PATAFA,
Okey.
Philippine Athletics Track and Field Association. So andun yung training camp for SEA Games and nung nakaraan nag-advance na din ako dun to see the environment and adapt the new relationship of teammates and, um, of course sir, it's a privilege nung
Mhm,
nalaman ko na it's like, oh, it's like dream come true,
mhm.
parang gano'n, kasi, that's one of my bucket list na din this year, na, "Lord, if this is for me, if it's meant for me, it's meant for me." Yun nga din sinasabi ng manager ko na si Sir Jun na, "'Pag para sa'yo 'yan, 'pag hindi, um, there is a better, God is preparing a better story
Mhm.
for you." You know? So, yun yung naging ano ko, nung nalaman ko na nag-qualified ako and, I was given a chance. So, yung masasabi ko lang is, I won't take this for granted and
Mhm.
it's an honor to, give glory and represent the country in the Southeast Asian Games.
Kumusta naman yung preparation mo for the SEA Games? Physically and of course
Yeah.
mentally. Alam naman natin na napakalaking pressure nun.
Yes, sir.
Bansa kasi yung dinadala mo sa
Exactly.
SEA Games.
So, ayun sir, yung preparation kailangan ko na lang ituloy yung ano, kasi since galing kami sa UAAP,
Mhm,
so it's a high intensity din and so itutuloy na lang namin yung preparation namin sa SEA Games kasi if I'm not mistaken 1 month na lang, Southeast Asian Games na lang.
mhm,
So, I need to stay lucky and, physically and mentally. So, medyo ano lang, may konting struggle lang kasi may nag-aaral pa din ako sa UP. So, binabalanse ko lang ng maayos and keep praying, keep pushing. So, I just need to keep my fitness level
mhm.
at high levels para, tuloy-tuloy sa SEA Games. Pero do'n naman sa SEA Games magfo-focus lang ako sa long jump, sir, kasi yun nga 'pag international event hindi ako puwedeng madaming events,
Mhm,
Kailangan naka-focus lang sa isang event and kung saan ka malapit sa records or
mhm.
standard, like kung ano yung pinakamalakas mo na event, kailangan mo talaga mag-focus dun.